Hey, what's up? Let's go over the lazy wizard. Find x. Oh, there it is. And we're done. Ha 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 ha. Kidding. So we have to do some cross producting, it looks like. Okay, so here's the thing. There's really no quick way to do it when you got variables on both sides. You got to take, variables on both parts of the fraction. You got to multiply these two things and multiply those two things. So here we go. Write it out. We got a 27.6 times a 4x. You are going to equal a 138 times x minus 1. Oh, gross. Look at that. Yeah, sorry, friends. There's really no pretty way around these ones. So let's try to simplify it a little bit here. Let's see. We got to go 27.6 times a 4. That's going to be 110.4x. And that's going to equal 138 times x, and 138 times a negative 1. That's going to be a 138x minus 138. All right. Next move, students. Now, I normally tell you to get rid of the smaller variable, but there's no numbers over here. So you want to get rid of the side, you want to get rid of the variable that has the numbers with it, so that way you can solve quickly. So I would subtract the 138x from both sides. I really hope this turns out to be a decent number, because these numbers are not looking very promising. Okay, here we go. 110.4 minus 138 is going to be negative 27.6x is going to equal a negative 138. Ew, sorry, my pencil's kind of bleeding all over. This marker is kind of bleeding. Sorry about that. Divided by a negative 27.6, divided by a negative 27.6. Let's see what we get. Oh, please don't be awful. Please don't be awful. Negative 138 divided by a negative 27.6. Are you serious? The whole thing just turns out to be 5? Oh, I was getting all nervous and stuff. Okay. X equals 5. Look at that. All right. So nastiness, just straight up nastiness. You have to do the cross products. U times U is that many. U times U is that many. One step, two step. That's, actually not too bad. They were just they were a little bit bigger numbers to write out, so that's what took so long. But still, we got this thing done in just about 2 minutes. Not a big deal. That is the lazy wizard.